When we see Florida on a boat, we rarely work on it. This one, sort of, we thought maybe it wasn't going to be that bad. Doesn't show much corrosion. Seems to be in pretty good shape. Yeah, except that isn't so good. But here's what you get with salt water. That's not coming undone. That's not coming undone. So we've put a spacer underneath there and trying to back it off to try to get it out. But when you get to this point, it's really hard to figure out what to do next because the lower unit's just corroded on there. So that's where we are. That's why we don't work on saltwater boats. This one slid in, unfortunately.